So for this look, we're going to be using the Juvia's Place Magic Mini Palette, and I've already done one eye off camera. Now we're going to just be priming our eyelids using our MAC concealer. This is in the shade NC40, so you just want to blend that evenly across your eyelid. Now I'm going to be grabbing this orange shade from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm placing this in my crease using a fluffy brush. As you can see, I'm kind of making like a what would I call this shape? I don't know, like a semicircle kind of on the outer corners of my eyes, and just blending that inwards. Now I'm grabbing this red shade from the palette just to intensify that orange, and I'm just placing it on top. And as you can see, I'm using patting motions, you guys, so you really just want to build up the color and then blend everything out eventually. Okay, so I'm just going to keep patting until I get my desired outcome. Now I'm using the same MAC concealer that I used to prime my eyelids to cut my crease, and if you notice, I'm using this fluffy brush to cut it just because I don't want it to be super sharp. I still want it to be kind of diffused. And now I'm grabbing this shade from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm just going to be packing that on with my finger and just dabbing it on till I get the desired amount that I want. So now I'm going in with a smaller brush to just blend in the shimmer shade on my eyelid with the crease color, and I'm just doing that to make sure everything is very seamlessly transitioning. And now I'm grabbing this dark blue shade from the Magic palette, and I'm just placing that in the outer corners of my eyes just to make the look a bit more dramatic and give it a smoky effect basically. Now I'm using the matte white shade from the same palette, and I'm placing that in the inner corners of my eyes just to highlight the eyes and open it up a bit to make it look a lot brighter. To add even more drama to this look, I'm using the Urban Decay Perversion liner, and I'm just going to be lining my eyes. I'm creating a thick wing. Well, it's not really that thick, but it's a little bit long dramatic, but yeah. And then I'm going to be applying some mascara and lashes. This mascara is from Essence Cosmetics from the drugstore, and yeah. Now I'm going to be using this Kiss New York liner as well, just to line my lower lash line and also smoke it out a bit with some of the colors basically the colors I used in my crease. I'm using those same colors to smoke out my lower lash line. And this just brings everything together and just makes all the colors complement each other. So yeah, that's it for the eye look. It's pretty easy, but it looks harder than it is. And yeah, I'm just doing some finishing touches, blending everything out. Moving back to the face, I'm using the highlighter. I believe this is the Amrezy highlighter, and I'm just placing that on the highest point of my cheeks just to add a nice glow to my skin. And then I'm using the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush palette, and I'm just applying some of that blush to my cheeks, and I'm using a pink blush, of course, to complement the eyes. So I forgot to film the clip of this nude lip part, so I'm just using the one I filmed for Instagram, and that's why it looks like this. But I'm using the Roasted Coffee lip pencil that I usually use, and I'm just lining my lips with it. And then I'm going in with the NYX lip lingerie, and it's a nude peachy color, and I'm just applying that to the center of my lips, blending the two of them together. So you can rock it in like a matte look like this, or you can go ahead and add some gloss, and you know, of course, I'm gonna add some gloss. And this gloss is from the beauty supply store by Nika K. And now for the second lip option, it's the bold lip. I'm going in with the Kiss New York brown lip pencil. It's a nice, really dark brown shade, and I'm just lining my lips with it. Now I'm going in with this Bobbi Brown. It's like a jumbo lip pencil slash lipstick in one, but I'm just applying it all over my lips. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer and place that in the center, just to give it kind of an ombre effect. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of gloss on top once again, and yeah, that's the finished look.